Welcome, new explorer. My name is Kate Ward-Gauze. I'm the Assistant Vice President for Student Wellness Services at LaSalle University. And I'm here to talk to you about the services that are available through the Student Wellness Service Department. We organize, in collaboration with many partners, a number of wellness initiatives. Some of our signature events are Wellness Wednesday from 12:30 to 1:15 every Wednesday afternoon in a public setting like the Union or the Patio or the Quad, places that might not be familiar to you now, but will be when you get to LaSalle. Some of the topics that are offered are nutrition, e-cigarette and vaping usage, stress, sleep, and we have many students who collaborate with us on these topics in terms of presenting the most up-to-date and relevant information that can improve the health and well-being of LaSalle students. Some other wellness events include daily meditations offered by faculty and staff who have a commitment to teaching this very, very solid and researched initiative to help improve the health and well-being of our students. We have a wellness living learning community. So first year and sophomore students who are committed to living together on the topic of wellness do that and get some additional opportunities to improve and enhance their own well-being. This year we went ice skating at Dilworth Plaza, we hiked in the Wissahickon Woods, we had a training event at Philadelphia Circus Arts, we went apple picking in the fall. When registration for housing comes along, consider our wellness living learning community. We work in partnership with a group of peer educators. They help with Wellness Wednesdays, but also many speaker events throughout the year. As I said, our three units, the Student Counseling Center, Student Health Center, and the Substance Abuse and Violence Education Center, provide confidential services for individuals or small groups on topics relevant to these mental health, physical health, and sexual assault and violence education. The staff in those centers are professional psychologists, licensed professional counselors, nurse practitioners, public health specialists, and they provide evaluations, consultations, and when needed, ongoing services. So I encourage you to look us up when you get to campus, but meanwhile, you can follow us on our Instagram account, which is LaSalle_wellness, or our Facebook page, which is Wellness at LaSalle. Meanwhile, have a good rest of your year and go explorers. Thank you.